Hey guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for tuning in. And this is part 3 of restoring the C230. If you haven't already seen the previous videos, go check it out. And I don't think you're gonna want to miss those videos out. But in today's video, we're gonna be detailing the interior of the C230. As you guys can see. As you guys can see, you can't really tell that much unless you really look on the inside, but it needs detailed really quite a bit. So we're gonna be tackling that today. It still looks pretty good inside, but if you really look at it, let me try and unlock the other doors. You're probably gonna be starting off vacuuming the carpets, and then we'll transition into just cleaning the whole interior of the car. So I think I'm gonna do like a quick time lapse. I'm doing this in the garage at the moment. You can't really see that much because it's a little dark, but I'll try and do my best to get some light in for you guys as we detail the interior. There's a sticker over here. I'm gonna try and take that off. It might be a headache to take off because this looks like it's really stuck on there. There are a few stickers here as well and on the other side, but I'm gonna try and take out any sort of coins or dirt. This I'm gonna take out. This, I'm not sure if it's the interior smell, but the interior smells really good. And I don't know if it's these right here, but I'm gonna take out. I just don't like it hanging on here like that. Oh, also the trunk. I don't want to forget about that. I'm gonna try and clean out the carpets as well. It's not really dirty, to be honest. But yeah guys, stay tuned on this video as we clean the interior and get it looking really clean again. Alright guys, just got done. This is the trunk. It's looking pretty clean. And let me show you the back real quick. This is the back. Sorry, I got the camera on a tripod, so it's kind of hard to get a good angle with it. But yeah, it's looking pretty clean. Obviously the seat right here, I'm gonna detail the leather, but the back is looking really good. So let's tackle the front real quick. Alright guys, take a look. The carpets have been all cleaned. And not too bad. The other side as well. Not too bad. I'm no detailer, so it's not gonna be like 100% perfect, but just looking at it, you can really tell that it's been well vacuumed. All right, so I guess now we just tackle the interior, the seats, the trims, the doors, just clean it up, make it look really nice and clean. Especially with this console right here, it's a little bit sticky, so it just needs clean. You just, if you really look at it, you can tell it needs clean. So nothing too crazy, but I'm gonna be using this for the seats. It's a product I found, I believe, at Walmart or O'Reilly's. Nothing too crazy, so this should get the job done. And this is just an air freshener and cleaning wipes. I'm gonna use it on the dash and on the trims as well, and the center console, and just everywhere that needs cleaned. So these are gonna be the only two things I'm gonna be using. It should work. Alright guys, I'm finally done. I put you guys on a time lapse, but I pretty much got a good amount of footage for you guys when I was vacuuming and cleaning the door interiors. But obviously, like, I couldn't do much, you know, filming while cleaning, so I really took my time and cleaned the car itself. So I'm ready to show you guys how the car looks. It looks really good. It probably took me about an hour and 30 minutes, so not too bad at all. But we've got everything pretty nice and cleaned out. Feel comfortable just sitting in the car and knowing, you know, the car is all cleaned up. But let me show you the trunk real quick before I show you the back seats and the front seats. So we pretty much got a lot of the leaves out of the trunk lid and the in-betweens. Obviously, like, you can see a little bit of some dirt on there, but at least, you know, I got most of the leaves off of it. The trunk looks really good. You guys saw the trunk already. Going inside, door trims are looking pretty nice. Yeah. This looks really good. This is not like a super detailed, you know, interior cleaning. I'm not a professional, but obviously, you know, just cleaning the seats and doing my best to making everything look really nice. Just look at the inside right here. So that's the back, front. Dash is looking pretty clean. Steering wheel as well. Seats are, you guys already know, the seats are pretty nice. Cup holder, look at that. I really worked hard on that. Look at the inside there, all cleaned up. This is all clean. This is the dash. Door trims. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. So I gotta take these off. These right here. I took out most of the air freshness in the vent. So yeah, everything's looking pretty good, guys. Like, I'm really impressed how the inside turned out. Not too shabby, but it's looking better than it was. Yep, this feels good just to sit in here and know everything is clean. Well, I think this will be it for this video, guys. I'll keep you posted on the next video and what we're going to be doing on this car next. I'm thinking probably detailing the engine bay. The engine bay is pretty dirty, so I'll go ahead and take care of that, guys. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.